Justice! Justice! Justice!
Started off with 10 ICU beds. Now it's gone to 200 ICU beds, and the same departments are managing it over and over again without any objection. We're so tired, we're so exhausted. No one is bothered about it. Working 12 to 24 hour shifts in PTs is impossible, and we're doing it. And then we get rewarded with slaps like this. Is it the right way to treat us?
Ma'am, the government has been claiming that Gandhi is well equipped.
No, it's
but
not.
if you can speak,
It's not.
First of all, what kind of a
How is it
solution?
equipped?
What kind of a solution is sending 600 people home the other day? People they send home, why? Because they don't have symptoms.
According to the recent guidelines, they have said that the patients who turn positive, they will keep the patients for 10 days. On the 11th day, they said that they would send. But the last day, if you see, they have discharged 600 patients, which are not totally, like they have not finished the 10 days of quarantine within the hospital.
They are
They have been sent.
corona-positive patients.
They have been sent.
so they don't come under cured or discharged. They don't come under that.
Basically, the Gandhi is having 65 bedded ICU previously. It has 65 bedded ICU previously. But what they are doing is that they are
In the PPs.
అరే అక్కడ వర్షం బాగా అనిపిస్తుంది అక్కడ ఒక కార్ ని మన పైన కొట్టమని చెప్పాలరా
2 minutes, we're like sweating 2 liters of fluid.
Huh?
All that only for our patients. We've been doing this since 3 months. Tirelessly, we've been working for them. This was the place where they showered flowers on us, showing their appreciation. This is the same place where all of us are struggling because we are hit by patient attenders when we're not able to save a terminal patient. When will the society know that doctors are not accountable for every damn thing that happens in a hospital?
అన్ని పేషెంట్స్ గాంధీకి ఎందుకు వచ్చారు?
Why are every patient coming to Gandhi? Why is only Gandhi Hospital being accountable for the entire state for crores? Why, how can a single hospital tackle all those cases? So it is high time government realizes this. It is high time we get support from all other hospitals. Hospitals are working, only Gandhi is working. I know other hospitals are taking cases, but other hospitals also should take the positive cases. One hospital cannot be held accountable for every single positive case. Today, why all of us have gathered here? The main reason why all of us have gathered here is because my colleague, my friend was hit by the attenders whom he had to declare dead despite his best attempts to save the patient. When he had to declare this news, the attenders came, 2 attenders had come and hit my colleague, my friend. I feel the pain. The image of my friend running for his life is haunting. No other doctor should be in that situation anytime. We are already facing death by going around COVID patients. We need not face this mental trauma or this physical trauma by the attenders. What we are going through is enough. We need not be put by an additional stress. The main agenda today, all of us are gathered here. We are asking government only one thing. Please don't hold Gandhi as the only hospital which should be accountable for all the positive cases. Decentralize it.
Yes.
Let all the hospitals take care of the positive cases.
Yes.
Every hospital should have a COVID and a non-COVID area. Let all hospitals treat all the cases. Ultimately, all of us want a single thing, that is our patient care. And for that, we're ready to give 100%, even 200%. आवाज दो! आवाज दो!
save the saviors, save the patients, save the patients, save the saviors, save the patients, save the saviors, save the patients, save the saviors. నిజమైన కరోనా పేషెంట్స్ కి న్యాయం జరగాలి. 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 నిజమైన కరోనా పేషెంట్స్ కి న్యాయం
100%, even 200%. आवाज दो! आवाज दो!
Save the saviors, save the patients, save the patients, save the saviors, save the patients, save the saviors, save the patients, save the saviors. నిజమైన కరోనా పేషెంట్స్ కి పేషెంట్స్ కి నిజమైన కరోనా పేషెంట్స్ కి నిజమైన కరోనా పేషెంట్స్ కి